Do you guys see the light? Like, can you guys already see the pictures from my room? Like, do you understand? Do you understand? Like, the lighting that just comes in here is unbelievable. We just packed like a few things that were like small enough to get inside the car, and then we're gonna move the other things a bit later on this week. Let me finish offloading these things because yeah, I have some other things I need to do, but I am so excited, guys. But I'm not gonna say much because I mean, y'all already know how this place looks inside. And if you haven't watched my apartment haunting video, please do go and check that out so that you can see exactly how it looks inside. But yeah, there's some proof of life over here, just letting everybody know that hey, so unfortunately this is not going to be like a whole move in move out vlog because I am not going to be around for the rest of the moving in when we move the big stuff like the fridge, the beds, the sofa and everything. I am going to be at school, so that's why, hence why I won't be able to film. So that's why I didn't want to turn this whole video into like a moving in, moving out. It was just like a little snippet of what I did. I really wish I could spend the night. I really wish I could spend the night, but unfortunately we cannot because we still need to come and get the Wi-Fi installed. Yeah, obviously you're not gonna come to a house with no Wi-Fi. Like, what are you gonna do? So Tlala just Bugani. Why did I get up? Also, I heard that guys, I am so sorry. I will stop doing it because I always say that I don't want to do jolo content and everything, but I always have my boyfriend kissing me or making me blush and smile on the side. So I do apologize for that. And I'm so tired, like I just need to bathe right now. Everything is just all over the place. Like, there are other things here in the plastic. My water bottle. I'm gonna start cleaning. I actually did start, like some dirt over there. Ew. I just turned on this thing. Apparently we have like a energy saving water pump that heats up our water instead of using the geyser. Hey guys, so I'm actually cooking dinner right now, and open this. Because it's kind of steamy in here. But anyways guys, so I got this book when I moved in with my boyfriend, and so I was telling my boyfriend that I'm trying to throw this book away because it's dirty, it's old, as you can see. And I really don't even understand why he keeps it here because nigga doesn't even cook. Okay, he does sometimes, but he doesn't even use it, and I wanted to throw it away. So I decided that I'm gonna keep it. You know, I'm gonna try and cook a meal or something inside this book. So let me just show you what I think I might do, what I think I might cook just not today. Okay, well, let me check the main meals. So I can try this pesto pasta because this is something that I actually wanted to try, like a pesto pasta, something healthy and everything. This is something that I could also try. I could try that. I could try that. Guilty favor. No way. This also looks really nice. This is like a stir fry type of thing. This I could also try. So I had low shedding at my place and I really need to study, and all my notes are in my phone, so my phone died on me. I'm at Wimpy right now. I just ordered cappuccino. I'm going to study and it's so noisy. I'm sorry for the noise, it's so noisy. I have no idea how I'm gonna focus here because I love studying in peace and quiet.